Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna let you know whether Barclaycard app is available for both iOS or Android device. So fortunately, Barclaycard app is available for both iOS as well as Android devices. You could download the Barclaycard app from the respective app stores. For iOS, that is iPhone or iPad, you could download the Barclays app from the App Store. Simply open the App Store on your iOS device, search for Barclaycard, and download the official Barclay app developed by the Barclaycard. And likewise, for the Android device, you could download the Barclaycard app from your Google Play Store. So all you have to do is open up your Play Store. On the search box, type in Barclaycard app, and then press the install button and wait for the application to be completely installed. Once the application is downloaded as well as installed, you could go ahead and log into your Barclaycard app using the Barclaycard account credential to access your account information and all that. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.